Ninjutsu evolved into hard style kata. Koshijutsu evolved into soft style kata. But you can often still see this kind of stuff going. Yes? What is the purpose of throwing one hand outside the fight? What is the purpose of moving it 2 or 3 times farther away from his body targets? Well, to gain more power. Okay. But the bigger the move, the bigger the open window. Yes. I throw this, but he moves over here. It's going to take a whole lot. And since action's faster than reaction, he moved first. You can get this thing there in time. That makes you how many times faster than him to make up for that lag? Yes. Okay. What if the hand goes there because we're maintaining control of the weapon? So we have maybe. Okay. So since everybody that was here last night did in fact remind me about the sword with the stuff last night, I appreciate that. A big thank you and gratitude to everyone. Okay, yeah. Okay. So again, why would he attack me first? Keep me from getting this thing out. Okay. But the attack sometimes might be coming. Understand? Very, very different things. Okay. So we're going to assume he's getting a jump on me. Because for a Tagagi Yoshin guy, he'd be attacking from off angle. He wouldn't be attacking nose to nose, toe to toe. Okay. So we'll give him a pass for the moment because this is a keyhole. Everybody needs to learn this. So let's say that I'm carrying this in a way that it's not as easy for him to get. So if I have the tsuka lined up with my sternum and the weapon is this way, this angle look familiar? That's the correct angle for the lead arm and the each one to know. Come on. If your arm is this way, it can be grabbed or punched or attacked. If it's this way, it leaves an opening. Right? So this angle is really, really important. So that's more difficult to get at. Right? So when he attacks, right, what we're going to do is use this. Now, this is where everything, right, I told everybody from last night, please make sure that you are entering. Because the end position in your kata is draw position. The ideal is to cut him and kill him before he hits the ground. You can went for the sword. Really hard to grab something that's in motion. Doesn't matter if he's still up. Ooh, part of the drawing. Takes it. That was a Q show hit, yes. See, he came up, he got hit, he came up and went right back down again.
Ellen has
It was a great laugh. I'm not telling you, hit your partner harder. Okay? Even if we're starting this way, okay? Keep it farther away. Okay? Here, why would my hand be here? Because the short sword handle's right here. Last night we did a version of this, caught, drew the short sword. I made noise, nobody else did. So much for copying my teacher.
Lots of cabbage.
Good. It doesn't matter what I cut. Camera on there, who's in here, so. You understand? It's not a win. This is not winning a fight. This is ending. Fight. Stop thinking about fighting. Okay. You're creating a collapse. You're disrupting function. Okay.